Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to learn about percent applications, situations where we're going to use percents to solve problems. So go ahead and write this in your notes, 76% applications. The first couple of concepts that we need to learn about are markup and discount. Markup. Markup is a way that people who sell things or stores get money, because what they do is they take the price that it costs to produce an item, like a shirt, and they add some on top of it to cover their costs. So markup is an amount added to product you sell. The discount is an amount taken away from the price. And so markup and discount are both ways that we can use percents to take away from or add to the price. The base price for something, how much it actually costs to produce something. Say this shirt that I'm wearing. How much did it cost them exactly to produce this shirt? That would be the wholesale price. And we could name it like the base amount. It's the base amount to produce something. So if you go down to like Kohl's and they have a shirt on sale for $25, well, it may have only cost them $10, which is the wholesale price. So they may buy that shirt for $10, but the markup is in $15 in order to make money on that shirt. And so that's the basic premise that we're operating on when we're talking about percent applications. So how do we do this? Here's example one. Example one is going to be finding sale price. When we find sale price, what we're doing is we are finding what it costs after discounts are taken. And so let's imagine you're shopping for a guitar. So when you're shopping for your guitar, the original price is $160. So this is a $160 guitar. But at the store that you're at, they have a discount today only of 30%. So what we need to do is, just like we were doing the other day when we talked about 30% of something, we need to find that 30%, and because it's a discount, we're going to take it away. So we need to do 160 minus 30% equals how much we pay. Well, we need to figure out what is the actual discount. And so what I'm going to do is this. If we are going to try to put this into our calculator, right? Let me grab my calculator real quick. Put it into my calculator. What I can do is I can turn that percent into a decimal to multiply. So $160 minus 0.3 times 160 equals my sales price. Because if I take 0.3, that's 30% as a decimal, and I subtract that, or multiply that by 160 and then subtract it, that's my sales price. So let's do that. I've got 0.3 times 160, and so this is going to give me $160 minus $48, because $48 is 30% of 160. And when I subtract that, maybe some of you have already done this in your head, my guitar ends up being $112. That's how discount works. Now, the other example that we could do is we could do something that is marked up. And if we find something that's marked up, we have to operate on the wholesale price and then add an amount to it. So for example, a shirt. If I have a shirt and the wholesale price is $16, and I say the markup is 120%. Now, this may seem kind of crazy, but they do this. Do you think those Dr. Dre Beats headphones cost $400 to make? Absolutely not. They probably don't cost any more than like a Sony pair to make. But the percent markup is a lot. It's over 100%, far over 100%. And so it's going to be the same way. We have 16 plus, because it's markup, so that means we're going to be adding to it, 16 plus 120% of 16 equals our price. I'm going to do the same thing. Use my calculator to calculate what 120% of 16 is. So I've got 16 plus. Let's convert 120 to a decimal. 1.2 times 16 equals my price. Well, 1.2 times 16 equals 16 plus, and this would be 19.2, because 19.2 is 120% of 16. 16 plus 19.2 is 35.2, or $35.20. This is exactly what they do in the stores, guys. Stores will buy a shirt for $16 and then charge you $35 for it, and we pay it because it's cool. It says Izod, or it says Nike, or it says Adidas on it, and this is what we do. We pay for that price of that huge markup. Last thing, sales tax. Maybe you guys are familiar with this, but sales tax is a fee that's added on to the end. So it's like markup in a way, because it's something that's added to the price. So when you buy something for $14.99 at the store, when there's tax, it's going to be over $15, because tax is a fee that's added to it by the government that's going to help pay for different things around your community. And so sales tax is added to the cost. So when we calculate a CD player, you guys may not even know what that is. It's $48. So it's $48 before tax. Sales tax is 4.5%. Well, if I've got 4.5% added on to the end, that's going to be something I need to calculate. So I've got 48 plus, and now I'm going to do 4.5% equals my price. Well, 48, and I'm going to do the same thing again. 0.045 times 48 equals my price. See how I did that? I converted my decimal, or I converted my percent to a decimal. And so, calculator, 0.045 times 48. So that's $2.16. So 48 plus 216 is 50.16. Guys, this is exactly what happens in the stores. You get charged markup, which is reflected in your sales price, and you also get charged sales tax when you go up to the register. Alright, so that's how this works, guys. These are percent applications. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, you can work in groups, and we'll talk about it in class. Thanks for watching.